Introduction. Hello, wonderful viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly special to discuss, a topic that not only has the potential to touch lives, but also has a positive impact on the environment and your community. That's right, we're diving into the world of donating a car in the vibrant city of Sacramento. Now, you might be thinking, why donate a car? Well, my friends, the act of donating a car goes beyond simply parting ways with a vehicle you no longer need. It's about making a conscious choice to contribute to a cause that resonates with your values, whether it's supporting a local charity, helping those in need, or even contributing to eco-friendly initiatives. In a world that's becoming increasingly aware of its environmental footprint, donating a car can be a meaningful step towards sustainability. Instead of letting that old vehicle gather dust or slowly degrade in a landfill, you're giving it a new purpose, one that aligns with the idea of reducing, reusing, and recycling. It's a win-win situation. You declutter your space while giving a second life to a vehicle that could still serve a purpose. But let's not forget the heartwarming human aspect of car donation. By choosing to donate your car, you're directly contributing to organizations that are striving to make a difference. Whether it's providing aid to underprivileged families, supporting educational programs, or offering medical assistance, your car donation becomes a tangible representation of compassion in action. And that's not all. There's also the financial aspect to consider. Donating a car can potentially lead to tax benefits, allowing you to make a positive impact on your community while also enjoying some advantages when it comes to your financial responsibilities. Throughout this video, we'll take you on a journey through the step-by-step process of donating a car in Sacramento. We'll cover everything from selecting the right charity, understanding eligibility criteria, and navigating the paperwork, to preparing your car for pickup and even exploring the potential tax deductions you might receive. So, if you're ready to embark on a meaningful adventure that combines altruism, sustainability, community support, and a dash of financial sense, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we guide you through the ins and outs of donating a car right here in the heart of Sacramento. Let's get started on a path that's not just about giving away a car, but about giving back to the world around us. Step 1. Research and select a reputable charity before you initiate the process. It's vital to research and choose a reputable charity. Look for organizations with a proven track record of efficiently utilizing donations for a worthy cause. Verify their transparency and reach within the community. Step 2. Confirm vehicle eligibility and requirements. Ensure your vehicle aligns with the charity's criteria for donation. Many charities accept cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and even RVs. However, they might have specifications regarding the condition and age of the vehicle. Step 3. Gather essential vehicle documents. Collect all the necessary documents for the donation process. These typically include the car title, registration, and any maintenance records you might have. Having these ready will streamline the paperwork. Step 4. Contact the chosen charity. Reach out to your selected charity through their preferred communication channel, usually their website or phone number. Initiate a conversation about your intent to donate, and they will guide you through the process. They'll also assist in scheduling a pickup time that's convenient for you. Step 5. Navigate the paperwork. Completing paperwork is a vital aspect of the process. This often includes transferring the car's title to the charity, indicating the change of ownership. This step is crucial for ensuring a smooth transition of ownership and liability. Step 6. Vehicle pickup arrangements. On the scheduled day, make sure your vehicle is accessible for pickup. Remove personal belongings and clean out the car. Depending on the charity's procedure, they might tow the vehicle or send a representative for collection. Step 7. Acknowledge tax deduction benefits. Once the donation is complete, the charity will provide you with a receipt acknowledging your contribution. This receipt holds significant value when it comes to tax deductions. Consult with a tax professional to understand how the donation can positively impact your tax situation.